Good morning. In this video we're going to learn how to start the drawing using AutoCAD. So first of all, before we start opening the AutoCAD, we need to understand the information inside the drawing. So first we have to know the name of the drawing. Here it is, the AutoCAD 2D task 02 point or -3. You need to know the template, module template A, the units in inches, the text style. We don't have text in this drawing. Also the layers. How many layers we have here? We have two different layers. The first layer is construction objects and the second layer is all objects, and here's the name of the layers, and now the here or this side is the specification need to be put in those two layers. Now let's try to learn how to start with AutoCAD. So first of all, once you press on AutoCAD, you need to you will find this as a platform or as a home window for you. So first you go and press on AutoCAD with a new drawing, or maybe in our case let's create a new file. We will call it module 2, and then we will open the file and create a module inside. So here we'll have a new drawing. The new drawing, we need to check the units. So if you open it here, you will find metric and imperial. In our case, we have inches, so we will go for imperial. And then we need to write down the name of our drawing. So AutoCAD 2D, and the module number is 2-3, which is module 2, drawing number 3. Now let's start with the starting window. The first thing that you should always start with is creating your layers. So go to the three lines or the blue right corner. You open it, you will find the layers here. Now you need to create two layers. The first layer, we're going to call it as construction. And we need to pick the color of the layer. In our case, it's 253. It's a gray color. How did I know that? You simply check your drawing. Here it's written all the details. For the line type and line weight, it's not applicable in our case, so let's leave it on the side. We will discuss it later in other videos. Objects, it's gonna be in red color, so let's go and create the object layer. Now a new layer, let's go to object as a name, and here we need to make it red color as given in your drawing. So by now you have two construction layers or two layers. We will need to use them in the drawing. In next video I'm going to show you how to start the drawing and how to start the point, how to use the layers, the object and the construction layer.